What's going on, guys? It's your boy David Festa here on Nika. Now, we did some shenanigans last night, but don't be fooled. Nothing happened. Nothing happened at all. Well, something happened, but you know we'll recover. We'll recover. You know, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. They let us off, and you know what? It's just good that we're having fun while we're in our prime. So you know what? We made this video for the community, and you know what? Because we want to get some clout. We're living the best times of our lives, and we're in our 20s. So give us a shout out, give us a like, a follow, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Thank you again, and fuck on, man. Or wait, you know what I
Fucking hello, Smurf. These. Midnight Owl. I'm gonna yell. There we go.
Big boom. God bless America. Oh, why did you leave it there?
We're about to catch some crazy shit on tape.
Who is that?
Huh?
Who is that? Did you hear that?
What?
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
The car? Hello? What's going on? Oh, sorry. Sorry? Yeah, just fireworks.
Okay. How many guys are there?
Just me and him. That's it.
Just two of you?
Yeah, just put this down.
You
obviously know why we're here, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
No one had called in the past, so we thought it was good, but...
I mean,
Yeah, no, it's pretty late.
what, 10:30 on a Sunday, bro?
Yeah,
You know.
You're right. Our apologies,
You're
officers.
right.
We're
I'll get
sorry.
out of here.
All right, why don't we?
IDs?
Yeah, IDs, and if we get those, we'll get, and then you guys can start cleaning up.
this time of year. You missed all the holidays.
Keep it around the holidays. You won't get in trouble. Grab that shit, and that's right here.
Well, we appreciate you guys being so cool. So,
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I mean, we've been there. You know what I mean? It's not. We're not here to ruin anybody's fun over it. But.
No, I get it. You're enforcing that. I get it.
Saturday, bro. You know, I'm not saying you would have got away with it, but people would get less probably call you. You know.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We went to high school with a kid that was like a professional fireworker.
Oh, of course. There's always that one kid in each town.
He's like a pyro, so he got a job doing it.
Yeah, hey, you know what? At least you got something out of it. Maybe I could do that one day.
Yeah.
I've always wondered how to even get the job. That's the thing.
I literally asked him, and you apply to like those companies that like are ran by that company TNT or whatever.
Like Blast Tech? I know there's one.
Blast Tech is another one. Yep. Yeah.
Oh.
And they do all the shows for towns. They do the shows.
Oh, they do the shows? I thought it was like private people who had a license.
They do the shows for towns, events, all that stuff, and they literally just paid to babysit and set up fireworks.
That's $30,000.
Yeah. Oh, even probably more. So you guys have a good night.
Thank you.
Awesome.
You too.
Thank you.
Don't get any
You
more
guys
trouble.
too.
All right.
Tell Adita said what's up, all right?
We will. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Have
Take
a good
care.
one, guys.
Have a good one. Is that rolling still?
Yeah, it is.
You got all that?
Yeah, I got all that.
That's crazy. You fucking know him. Holy shit, gang. That did not just happen. That did not just fucking happen. 21 gang bitch.
They're waiting on us for the go.
Laser.
I know I gotta go. I gotta get my map set up.
GPS connected.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, we didn't do this for free. We sure as hell didn't think we'd get away with it, so please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment and share this with all your friends. We intend on making more footage, including with guns. See ya, biatch, trapaholics.
She might have left my hood, but she was born in my town. You didn't